Welcome to the Cinco de Mayo edition of On the House. My name's Kaya and I'm in marketing.
And I'm Michelle Lewis and I'm the operations manager.
Today we're gonna be making a spicy mango margarita. So first we're gonna measure out our mezcal that we have here. It's got kind of hint of the smoky chipotle kind of aftertaste to it, so that's why we picked this one instead of a typical tequila for our mango margarita. And we're gonna do 3 shots of that. And this is gonna make a party size portion, so if you wanna add a little extra, you can. And then we're gonna do 2 shots of triple sec. You can also substitute this out with Cointreau if you'd like. All right, and now that you got your liquor in there, you're going to add your frozen mango chunks. And we're just gonna add the whole bag of that. And then next, you wanna add your ice, so that way it's nice and frozen. These are slippery. And then you wanna follow that up with your lime juice.
Any amount or measure with your heart?
Measure with your heart. I think it said to do 3 ounces of lime juice, if I remember the recipe correctly, but we're just gonna do the juice of 2 whole limes. All right. I should have let you do this part, Michelle, because I don't know how to use these.
So I'll just put this on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
And use this one.
Mm-hmm.
There's not one chunk of ice, so there's not one of them. All right, so after that, we're gonna put some chamoy in a little bowl and rim our glasses to make it a little extra spicy. Maybe like roll it.
There we go.
Perfect. And then you're gonna follow that up by dipping in your tahini to make sure it sticks real nice.
There's one.
Amazing. And then just pour a little bit of this in there.
That's okay.
Oh.
Here, we'll just do this.
Sound production, take 2.
Nobody will ever know. Perfect.
It was perfect until that chunk came out. Don't they look so amazing?
They
I
do
can't
look
wait.
great.
Here, cheers.
We're ready for the invite.
Yum.
That's
Okay.
really good.
All right, team, you want to join us for a taste test?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Thank you.
Vicky, thank you.
Oh, we didn't need one more, did we?
Okay.
Oh,
We did.
Listen, I will share.
Here.
we're one short.
That's
No,
all
we're
right.
good. Let's do it.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Team.
I don't know if you want to cheers with the tahini.
Cheers the bottom. And
Mmm.
We're strong.
Yeah. Wow, that's good.
It's really spicy.
Yeah, that spicy rim, really.
On the my cheeks are doing that thing. Awesome.
We did
Get
it.
stuck in
Job.
there.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.
Happy Cinco de Mayo.